All right, guys, just as I dropped the video the other day, I was talking about how the Bulls have full control right now of QQQ and SPY. There's just not many bearish signs at the moment. It's just all bull, higher lows and higher highs on the daily, unfilled gaps showing strength. Okay, we saw that little pullback, ended up being a little bull flag right here, breaking out on the bull flag. All positive signs right now. Of course, anything could flip at any minute. But as of now, the overall signs on the charts are positive. Although we are approaching some resistance here on QQQ around 458. That's the upper weekly Bollinger Band to watch out for. And our weekly red line's down at 446. So if NVIDIA earnings are bad, then we may move down to 446 area on QQQ after NVIDIA earnings if they end up being bearish. It's anybody's guess how NVIDIA is going to perform on earnings. I'm personally leaning a little more to the bearish side, but that is 100% a guess. I have no idea. Nobody has any idea what's going to happen on earnings for sure. That is 100% a guess. And, take your dart and throw it at the board. Your guess is as good as mine. So just because I think that doesn't mean you should do that. I don't know. I don't really think I'm going to be playing it into earnings. I'll probably watch it in the aftermarket and I might trade it then. But as of now, I don't plan on holding a position on NVIDIA into the earnings. Overall, NVIDIA's chart is strong, right? We're approaching that high. If it's able to break that high, the next big resistance I see is really $1,000 psychological and 1,048, this upper weekly Bollinger Band. And it does look like a bull flag on the monthly as of now. So overall, the chart is very bullish, although earnings could throw it in either direction. And it's anybody's guess, really. So I don't like to usually gamble on earnings. I like to react after the earnings come out and then make a decision. And that's what's good about shares. You can trade them in the pre-market and the aftermarket, and you can get in on the action before the market opens. So that's what I'm going to be watching out for. But overall, the charts are bullish right now. But again, NVIDIA earnings is a wild card, and that could flip things around quite a bit in the short term. But right now, like I said, QQQ next resistances I see up at 458, 460 up here on the daily upper Bollinger Band. So those would be some levels I'd be looking at potentially to hit tomorrow before NVIDIA earnings come out. And then when they come out, it's anybody's guess what will happen. Anything else I'm looking at, I'll drop a few other videos shortly.